Your money story is shaping your money. Yes, your events shape your money personality and decision. Your childhood memories, money notes, and life miles. Just can you flip and can you bring everything in your thought mind? Have you ever wondered why you save or spend or the way you do with money? There's a way, a pattern. Why some people money decisions feel natural while others feel impossible. It all comes down to your money story. The unique combination of events, personality traits, and patterns that shape how you think and act with money. Today, I am breaking down the 4 layers of your money story. The events that shape your money personality, how these influence your money, how these influence your money decision, how you can rewrite yours for wealth. And yes, money freedom is equally important as time freedom. You need it all. So, what is your money story? You see your old photographs, flashbacks of your parents handling money, the adults around you, especially 0 to 8 years, which is the money programming age, and your blueprint of money gets formed in this year. So your money story begins actually long before you earned your first paycheck. It's written in the moments you saw and you didn't see, even like you didn't even see money being talked at home. There were bills, and this was a source of tension. Was saving a priority, or what happened with money? Like it disappeared as soon as it came in. These early experiences plant beliefs deep in your subconscious, shaping your financial identity. Today, your money events, like if you see your key life events like your first job, some loss of money, big purchase, like that, then there are now big money event, friend, turning point. Maybe you got some scholarship, faced some debt, lost a job, or landed a big client. Each event reinforces you with some challenges with your existing beliefs or something coming from the past. For example, if you got burnt in an investment, you might avoid taking risk in future forever, even when the right opportunity comes along. Or if you once made quick money, you might chase fast wins instead of building steady wealth. Now comes the money personality. The third, there are 4 money personalities, and personality are illustrated now. So this money personality is the pattern you naturally fall in. Some people are savers. My husband is a saver. Cautious, security folk. Some are spenders. I am a spender. Now much balance. They value experiences over accumulation. Yes, I've invested more than 50 lakhs Indian rupees in my training and development. And some people are investors. They think in terms of returns and growth. And some people are avoiders. They don't want to deal with money at all. So no personality is right or wrong. It is just an understanding which helps you to know who you are, what is your relationship with money. And then now you can, once you are aware, you can balance your strength and weaknesses. Now we will see how we do the money decision. 2 paths, if you will see, there are good decisions or there are bad decisions. Finally, all of this shapes your money decision. When you decide buy or save, invest or say no, it's just not a logic at play. It's your story, your events, and your personality influencing you. The problem is, if your money story is based on fear, lack, or bad past experiences, it can keep you stuck. Even if you want to have more skills to learn, earn more, you will experience this, what I'm just narrating you, stuck. So you have to rewrite your money story. And here's the good news. Your money story is not fixed. You can rewrite it by identifying your old beliefs and reframing your past event and learning new money skills that can fit into your future you want and not in the past you lived. So ask yourself, what even shaped my money habit? What's my money personality? And what's the decisions am I making because of my money story, not my goals? The moment you answer these, you take back the control. And if this video opened your eyes, hit a like, subscribe button and comment below. What's that one money event? It shaped your life. It shaped you the most. Remember, your story can change you. Your story can change your wealth. If you want to rewrite your money story with me, start today. You can inquire more about 30 days money manifestation challenge, which is 7 days free for you. Experience it. Be with me daily, doing a money hurdle at night. And when you sleep, it's a sleep hypnosis. The whole night your subconscious processes the execution technique which I taught you. Friends, I'm Dr. Naheed Khan. I'm a neuroeducationist and a hypnotherapist, and I have my program Time Audit and Money Manifestation Challenge. Feel free to join me and rewrite your money. Let's do it together. Let's connect. Thank you.